Free giveaway for the Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 Low. All you guys need to do is hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, get me to 60,000 subscribers, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Jordan 1 Low Reverse Mocha Travis Scott. Good luck. Because I'm giving away a pair of reverse mochas, let's see if we can get this video up to 500 likes in the first 24 hours. That would be crazy. Please make sure you guys smash that like button and make sure you guys subscribe. Join the More family for free sneaker giveaways. I love giving back to you guys. I was right. The price of these Air Jordans went up, and it went up quick. I told you guys to buy this Air Jordan 4 for around $200, and they would go up to around $300 rather soon. It happened a little quicker than I thought it would, but hey, they're at $290. In the background, you see the Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 Lows. Well, I bought another pair from a subscriber. Shout out to one of you guys. Thank you so much for selling me these for only $900. I thought it was a steal. And he sent over a letter and a coin as well, a silver coin, which was awesome. Thank you, brother. I really appreciate the note. We do have a pair of Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Air Jordan 1 Lows. So if you guys didn't know, I will be giving away a pair. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in this sneaker. Get me to 60,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna give away a pair to one of you guys watching. This is my biggest giveaway ever. So make sure you guys be a part of the giveaway. Smash that like button and you can win a pair of Travis Scotts. Make sure you guys subscribe because YouTube does show me who subscribed to the channel. Have a few pairs in hand, looking to get some more and give away a pair. So make sure you guys be a part of the giveaway. And if you have pairs for sale, shoot me a DM over on Instagram. Now, let's take a look at these Air Jordans that have gone up in price. I was right, and I'm so happy. I'm not a sneaker guru. I can't tell the future. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. I just go based on my experiences, based on what I know about sneakers. I've been in the game since 2010, and I've held sneakers. I've also sold sneakers way too quick, where I regret it major, like the Fragment ones. But you live, you learn, you move on, you experience life, and hey, I'm just a human. So sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. In this video right now, we're gonna take a look at a pair of sneakers that I was dead on right about. In my next upcoming video, I'm gonna show you guys where I was wrong. Hey, I am human. I do apologize. I'm sorry for being wrong, but you live, you learn. Lesson learned. Now let me show you guys these Air Jordans that I was right about. The price went up, and it went up rather quickly. Click that join button or click the link down below in the description. Make sure you guys become a member of the channel. I have a Discord coming soon. In the Discord, of course, we're going to talk about sneaker investments, sneakers, everything sneakers. You guys will love the Discord. So make sure you guys become a member of the channel. Get a head start into the Discord. The Discord is coming soon. Just become a member of the channel. Hit that join button or click the link down below in the description. You guys will also have exclusive giveaways and tons more. So make sure you guys become a member of the channel. Thank you guys, I appreciate you. These have recently gone up in price. They were reselling for around $210, $220 on the market. They have now recently gone up to $290, almost $300. I was completely right about these. I do believe that these will drop only if there's a huge restock. However, we just got a restock of this sneaker a few weeks ago, and the price has not dropped since that restock. In fact, it's actually went up. So if Nike continues to release these, restock them, it will make the price go down a little bit. However, the demand is just simply too high. People want this pair of Air Jordan 4s in both men's and grade school sizes. We're gonna take a look at a grade school pair. However, men's has also gone up. They were at about $300. They're sitting right now at nearly $350. Men's will also continue to climb up in price. I do see them being a $400 sneaker in men's, and grade school going up to around $350 right behind it, which is crazy. It will take a little bit more time to get there, but they have already been going up. The military black Air Jordan 4 is going up in price as we speak. The Air Jordan 4 is very hyped. It's becoming almost the new Air Jordan 1. A lot of Jordan 4s are having resell, a lot of hype, a lot of demand to them. And when you have a clean white, black, gray, neutral colors with this military color blocking, it's gonna do well. These are clean, they go hard. They are the military 4s, just with black instead of blue. They are very clean and an everyday wearable sneaker. The demand is simply very high for the military black Air Jordan 4s, and it's not slowing down. In fact, demand is increasing as time goes on, and that's why the prices are just going up. People are wearing them. They're a great everyday wear. People are buying these for their sneaker collections and just enjoying the military black, and people are holding, which means it's harder to get pairs out in the market. Prices are going up. Will they continue to go up? In my opinion, yes. However, if there's more restocks, it will make the price drop a little, but the market will go up and continue to skyrocket on the military black Air Jordan 4 in both men's and grade school sizes. A lot of recent Jordan 4s in the last 2 years in grade school sizes have really gone up in price and been really good holds, such as the Red Thunder 4s, the University Blue 4s, just a really good amount of solid Jordan 4s in grade school sizes that have gone up in price. In the military black was no exception. This was a great hold and continues to be a great hold. Grade school was a great hold because these were a cheaper buy-in at around $210, and now they're up almost to $300. Men's were at around $300 and have went up to around $350. A very nice profit margin, a nice hold right here, and I think it's a very good investment. I'm very happy because I'm up a decent amount of money on these right now, and I'm gonna continue to hold until probably Christmas. I do think the market will bounce back a little bit during the holiday season, but right now it's really down, and even though they're up right now, I personally am gonna continue to hold. If you have pairs, leave a comment, let me know what you're gonna do with your military black Air Jordan 4s now that they've actually went up in price. Do you think the market's gonna stay high? Do you think they're gonna go up even more? Or do you think that these are gonna crash somehow with even more restocks or people just not really caring, which I don't think is the case. I think demand is just simply way too high, and that's why these are starting to creep up in price. Don't sleep and don't forget about the military black Jordan 4s now. The market's going up, and I was right. These were a great hold, a great call. Reverse Mocha Travis Scott giveaway. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Reverse Mocha Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. Get me to 60,000 subscribers. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.